Hi guys, if you want to check .NET Framework version in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. For that, first of all go to search and type Windows features. Now here simply click on this option, turn Windows features on or off. And now the Windows features dialog box will appear. Now here you will be able to see two different .NET Framework version. You can see. You have to simply expand the second one, this. To expand it, simply click on this plus icon. And now here you will be able to see ASP.NET version. You can see ASP.NET version is 4.8. If you have any different ASP.NET version installed on your computer, you will be able to see it from here. You can see. And in case if you want to check the .NET Framework version with all the details, then follow the second method. So for that, first of all go to search and type cmd. Now here simply right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Now on the command prompt you have to simply type this command. I have given this command in the description below, so you can copy it from there. So let's copy it and then simply paste it here and then press enter. Now here you will be able to see the accurate .NET Framework version. You can see in my case it is 4.8.09.03.2. You can see. Now let's see the third method. For that, simply right click on the start menu and then click on run. And now here tap regedit and then simply click on OK. And now the Windows registry editor will appear. Here you have to simply go to this path. I have given this path in the description below. You can copy it from there. So let's copy it. And then simply paste the copied path here. And then press enter. And now here you will be able to see your .NET Framework version. You can see it is 4.8.09.032. This is your .NET Framework version. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily check .NET Framework version in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.